Hi, Richard Greaves, Remax Alpine Realty, and today we're at my latest listing at 205 Benchlands Terrace. This is a single family home with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, huge south-facing windows, a double car garage, and it's backing onto environmental reserve. Let's go inside and take a look. As you enter the home, you're welcomed by this beautiful open plan main floor. We've got cathedral ceilings, we've got some nice beam accents. This modern floor plan is bathed in natural light. The kitchen is the focal point of this main floor. It's open concept, it's easy for entertaining. We've got Caesarstone countertops, we've got this induction hob, we have a pull-out pantry, and then we have a butler ceramic sink, built-in oven and microwave, and enough seating for at least 4 people on the breakfast bar. Kitchen opens up into this dining room, and this main floor is flooded in natural light through these floor-to-ceiling windows. The dining room easily seats 12 people, and as we move into the living space, we've got the cathedral ceilings that extend over here. It really feels like the forest is being drawn into the room through these big windows, and it's got this incredible tile-faced gas fireplace. As you make your way upstairs from the main level, we have this marvelous office space flooded with natural light. The private master suite on the upper level is incredible. We've got some soaring vaulted ceilings, we've got south-facing views, we've got its own private patio with views of Three Sisters and Grotto Mountain. We have a huge walk-in closet as well as a 5-piece ensuite washroom. Back on the main level, we have a generously sized second bedroom with large closet and also a 2-piece washroom. This huge family room on the lower level has 10-foot ceilings. We've got some incredibly large south-facing windows to bring in the natural light again. We've got this beautiful retro log-burning fireplace with log surround, and we've got a mini bar, and then we've also got access to the lower level deck. Additionally, on this lower level, we have a large 3rd bedroom with built-in closet. We also have a 5-piece renovated washroom with double shower heads and heated floor. Rounding out this lower level, we have a huge laundry room that also doubles as a gym, and then behind the barn door in the laundry room, we have a fantastic storage solution with built-in shelves. Just off the kitchen and dining room of this home, we have my favorite part of the house. It's this beautiful sun deck. It faces south. We've got great views of Three Sisters, lots of room for entertaining, and the best part is it backs onto this green space where you can hear all the birds and potentially see the odd bear, deer, elk, and more. So on the lower level, we've got this beautiful covered deck that gives you some great shade in the heat of the summer sun. The south-facing aspect is also backing onto this green space. As you can see, we've got room for a fire pit. It's also plumbed for a hot tub if you want a hot tub in the house. We've got a pet run area, and then on the side of the house, we've got a great barbecue deck with views of Grotto Mountain. Thanks for watching. As always, if you've got any questions about this house or you'd like to book a viewing, my contact information is just below, and we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.